Hi, I'm going to introduce Analytics and Phrase TMS to you. It is an easy-to-use interface that lets you quickly uncover essential data insights to make well-informed decisions and improve on your organization's localization's performance. So let me show you the different elements in Analytics and how to navigate through them. You'll find Analytics in the navigation panel on your left. And here you can find 3 dashboards focusing on volume, on time, and on quality. So let's start with volume. The volume dashboard takes into account the total number of words processed in Phrase TMS. It also takes deleted or trash words into consideration, which can be easily filtered out via the filter options here. You can, for example, select a time frame and filter by day, by week, month, quarter, or year. Or you can select from more filter options, or even define your own specific dates. You can also select one or multiple language pairs. To show you, I will select 2 language pairs. And you see that the dashboard would automatically refresh and update. And some more important things to mention. In cases where you have lists, you can also sort the list ascending or descending. By hovering over charts, different icons appear. There's one next to the title that shows you more information about the chart. Another one is a download icon. You just need to hover over the chart that you want to download, and this little download icon will appear where you can download the full report in different formats. In case of the pie charts, if you hover over Other, you will see the remaining, in this case, clients and domains that are grouped together under Other. And this is it for the volume dashboard, but pretty much the same applies with the time and quality dashboard. But still, let's take a look at the time dashboard, where you can also see charts by month, project, provider, and so forth. This dashboard gives you more visibility over jobs delivered on time or that are overdue. We have the same set of filters as for the volume dashboard, but in addition, we also have workflow step and job state as a filter. And last but not least, we have a quality dashboard that focuses on the language quality assessment feature, LQA, in Phrase TMS. This dashboard is built in a slightly different way and shows the LQA errors by, for example, category and severity or over time. And some last things worth mentioning. Some clients don't have been assigned jobs. In this case, you can filter by unassigned, and it will show you the jobs that don't have a particular client assigned. And at last, you can also define the access rights to the analytics dashboards under User, where you can view and adjust rights for any project manager. And this is all to Analytics and Phrase TMS.